Hi everyone, I'm Darren Nava from Zambales Realty, and I'm happy to meet you on our channel where I'm introducing you to the best properties for sale in Zambales. Zambales is known for its natural wonders, but it is also a place where commercial and social activities never stop, be it summer or rainy season. Is that all? Absolutely not. But it's time for you to see our today's offer.
Life's a journey and not a destination. Everyone takes every step in a very unique way. This journey may take you down by great storms and bumpy road, but it does not matter. What matters most is how many times you stand up and continue. Each moment on journey of life you presented with an opportunity to react differently. And for our today's real estate journey, we have found a very unique and one-of-a-kind estate that soon might be your property. We are here in San Antonio, Zambales to present you this 2,000 square meter property secured with land title. The property is a pasture land. It is grazed by farm animals like cattle and goats because farmers in Zambales only use the organic methods from their crops to livestock. Going back to the property, as you can see, the topography of the land is flat and leveled with the road. Inside the property is wide and airy, ideal for that farmhouse or barn house you've always dreamed of. The community here is peaceful and safe, secluded but not disconnected as utilities like internet providers are available in this area. This property already has water and electric lines. Plus, the roads here are a two-way 6-meter road, standard for any public road, so you can rest easy while enjoying the time of your life. The property is only 5 minutes away to the National Highway and 10 minutes going to the Pundakit Beach and San Miguel Beach, which is a top tourist destination here in Zambales, followed by Liwliwa in San Felipe. Aside from the beaches and coves, residents here can get the best of both worlds, from ocean dipping to hiking and trailing the beautiful and towering mountains of San Antonio, which is now becoming a popular hiking site. Just a simple bungalow farmhouse in this property is a perfect fit. Combined with a very minimalist landscape plus a mini farm, set for example, sweet potatoes, eggplants, and many more, and put some flowering plants like bougainvillea, the outcome will be absolutely simply amazing. Also, the mahogany trees that are a genuine hardworking woods are all present inside the property. I have also seen other medicinal plants like banaba, oregano, and other stuffs. Now, what I like about this property is that it is flat, which is easy to build a home and safe to build structures. Free from landslides and flooding, which we validated and checked with the local disasters management bureau, plus with a little housekeeping you can see from your property the scenic and breathtaking mountain views of San Antonio, Zambales. And we believe that this video isn't enough for you to appreciate fully the beauty of this property. That is why we are inviting you to book a viewing and tripping to see it for yourself, and we'll let you be the judge of this wonder.
Like us on Facebook because we have lots of properties like this on our page. Please also subscribe to our channel so you'll never miss properties like this. You may also get in touch with us via our email and book your property viewing and tripping through our contact number posted.
The ambience is very relaxing and all you hear here are the cricket sound and the dancing of the leaves.
There's still a lot to tell about this neighborhood and this area, but it's time for now to see our today's offer. So enjoy this beautiful view and I'll see you on the other side.
Zambales has been gifted with the natural beauty of its surroundings. It has been touched by civilization, yet has maintained its rustic glory and beauty. The Zambales coastline is most famous for its sandy beaches and deep blue sea teeming with coral reefs. The province is historical. Located here is the ancestral house of the most beloved Philippine President, Ramon Magsaysay, situated at Castillejos. Whereas Mount Pinatubo, world famous for its 1991 catastrophic eruption, can be found in Botolan, Zambales. Zambales is perfectly suited for visitors seeking an authentic view of the Philippines without going too far from the national capital, Manila. It is located at the western part of Luzon, 210 kilometers or approximately a 2 to 3 hour drive from Manila. Like us on Facebook because we have lots of properties like this on our page. Please also subscribe to our channel so you'll never miss properties like this. You may also get in touch with us via our email and book your property viewing and flipping through our contact number posted. Zambales Realty also offers engineering services such as relocation, subdivision, segregation, topographic original survey, hydrographic survey, construction survey, parcellary survey, cadastral survey project, and many more. We also offer documents processing such as titling services for transfer and original certificate of title. We also have legal services for legal documentation for comprehensive research of property and status, and other due diligence. Leave a thumbs up if you like this video and don't forget to subscribe so you'll never miss an offer like this, cause we're always on a lookout for best property deals to share with you. Stay safe.
So this is it for today. I hope you'll find our video interesting. I will leave you all our contact details below. Please feel free to contact out and we are more than happy to help you find a property of your dream. Like and subscribe and see you on our next video. Ciao!
Are you selling your property? Get it featured on our channel. Send us videos of your property at darrenchanava@gmail.com. Let's get it sold. We make buyer and sellers meet. Don't forget to subscribe for more properties.